Hey folks, welcome back to the training videos, advertising training videos. I'm logged into my Gmail account. What I'm going to do is just like we've done in the previous videos is remember we talked about saving, making an ad, go to compose, email it to yourself, and then save it. And I do that by creating these tags here so that I can keep it in my inbox. And then also I got to do every day is just go right to these, open them up, copy the ad, and then I can go over and run my advertising. So right here, I'm going to copy this ad. Okay, got it highlighted. Now I'm going to right click, hit copy. Okay, so now we are done in Gmail. I'm going to log out so that it will speed up the video when I'm recording this. Slows down the video in quite a bit, so the speed of my computer. Just a few seconds that will be logged out and we'll move on. Okay, now you see I've got a window open here. This is Traffic Zipper. This is what I talked about, that you can have multiple safe lists inside of one site. So we're going to go ahead and log in. Now, all this stuff is on my training website, so you can go to mikepilcher.info, click on the Fast Start page. When you click on Fast Start, that's where you're going to find the videos that we've been doing that's going to help guide you to do your free advertising. All right, so here we are logged into Traffic Zipper. Now here's your tabs at the top, your menu tabs up here at the top. So you just hover your mouse, your pointer over these tabs and it brings down drop-down menus. So here you've got your profile, promotional tools, that'd be like your banners, ads that's inside this system if you want to promote this system, squeeze pages, other resources, so on. Let's go here to the tab where it says My List Builders. Okay, here where it says Define List Builders. Now there's a video in here. I'm not going to spend much time here because there's videos inside this site that's going to teach you how to do this. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time doing this when these videos honestly are better because it's their system. But I'm going to give you a bird's eye view here of the sites that's inside here. So see all these sites? They're inside of this system right here. So we're going to run one ad and it's going to go to all these. Now in the video yesterday I showed you how to do List Building Maximizer and reactive ads. Now I could have ran them all inside of here, but the reason I don't run List Building Maximizer inside of here because it only sends to 5,500, and if we go run that one manually we can send to over 12,000 people. So it only makes sense to just go do it manually because you can get over twice the amount of people out of it. Okay, here's rotators. You can set up rotators. Just like on some of my sites, I've got our GBG team. There are several people on our team that's subbing these rotators. And what it does is every time somebody lands on the rotator link, it goes to a different site. Okay, so now we go to send email. I'm going to go here and hit sent emails, and these are the ones I've sent. It's going to kind of give you an idea because this system tracks everything for you. And listen folks, if you're not tracking stuff, you have no idea what's working and what don't. So I hear a lot of people all the time, they say, well, this is not working, this is not working, and this is not working. Well, how do you know if you're not tracking it? See, that's the thing. You can't tell what's working if you're not tracking it. Of course, most people are not getting results because they simply don't do it consistently day in and day out. That's all it is. So you see here, here's where this one went to this many people. Here's the amount of clicks it's had. Here's the click-through rate. So you can see these are working. Now you can also go in on inside of these, open them up, and it'll tell you exactly where the hits came from. It'll tell you the IP addresses and everything. You can also set this system up on autopilot setup, autopilot tracking. Now, autopilot setup, what that is when you go in there and set this up, you can set it up to go out on whatever day you want it to go out, and you'll never have to come back in here and log in again. It'll just do it for you. So if you're off, going to the golf course or off vacation or doing whatever you're doing, this system will be doing the sending of your emails for you. You never have to log in and do a dang thing. It's a pretty cool deal. All right, so we're going to go to Compose. We're going to click on Compose. Just a few seconds here and this will open up. All right, so here we are. Now remember, when you come in here, I really recommend, you see this right here? These are training videos that's inside this system. I highly recommend you watch these videos. See, a lot of people don't take the time to watch the videos, and then they call and say, well, I can't figure out how to do this. Watch the video. It's pretty simple. Okay, so what we want to do now is we want to click on this where it says check mail status on all hosts. We're going to click that. You see it's running. It'll take just a few seconds here, and it's going to pop up, and it's going to allow us to click on which ones we want this to go to. All right, see here? What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit select all. Okay, see it put a check mark on all these. So all these, it's got a check mark in it. It's going to send our email to all these. So List Joe, going to go to 5,500 people, List Jumper, My List Frog. And see, folks, a lot of these I don't have a lot of credits in, but I'm not going to sit around and keep collecting credits all the time. I'm just going to go ahead and send to it anyway. The List Auction, 1,500. Traffic Eruption, 210. Viral Ad Store, 1,500. Now listen to me. The List Auction, the Viral Ad Store are two superb mailing lists. They're great list builders, but they're also great mailing lists. Huge tip there. Okay, remember yesterday we run reactive ads, so see I can't even run it again yet because it's 2 more days I've got to wait on it. Right here, List Building Maximizer. See, we ran it in the previous video yesterday, so we can't mail it. We got to wait 2 days on it too. Because see, some of these are every 4 days that you can send to, like List Auction is every few days. Viral Ad Store, List Joe. The ones that are not every day are by far the best ones to send to. Okay, here we are at the subject line. So we're going to put a subject line in here. And let's just pick one of these that I've already got in here. Let's pick this one. Now we're going to personalize it. So see right here, see this name tag right here? We're going to use this name tag right in front here. So let's put, you got to put these name tags just exactly like they show them here, or they will not work. Now watch this. I'm going to put all capital letters. So it says look, first name. Now here's what's going to happen. That first name, remember like we talked yesterday in the other videos, that first name tag, which you find right here, that first name tag is going to turn into that person's first name. Whoever this is going to in the list is who it's going to turn into. Okay, so I'm going to enter my affiliate URL, my website that we're going to send people to. Okay, so we've got stayhomesecret.com. We've got that in the URL that you're advertising, so that's where the people's going to go. So when these people click on the credit link, this is where it's going to send them. All right, so here we are. We're going to put, this is our body. This is the message body. So we're going to put our flashing cursor in the body. We're going to hit right click, paste. You can also hit, see some of these won't work properly by clicking and pasting. If they don't do that, don't freak out, because in HTML, all you got to do is hit your control button, the bottom left of your computer keyboard, control, V like Victor, Control V, and that'll paste it in there. So if you use Control A, push them down at the same time, Control A will copy, or excuse me, highlight all your content. Control C will copy it, it'll highlight it. After it's highlighted, it'll copy it. So Control A highlights it, Control C copies it, Control V paste it. All right, see, we've got a link right here. So this link right here, that's going to turn into a tracking link. This system automatically does it. So when you get a confirmation of this, it's going to send you a copy of this. It's going to have a long link. And you're going to say, well, wait a minute, that's not my URL. Yeah, it is. Click on it. But see, it's tracking. This system tracks everything. So it's so good because you can actually find out where your traffic's coming from, what's working, what time they checked it, everything. All right, we're done. We've got everything in here. Let's keep moving on. Let's hit send. Okay, see this pops up here. There's a couple of these that what they're asking you basically to do is they're recommending you make sure you've got at least one link in your email here. So one of your website links. I think before we send that, we'll go ahead and put one first name tag in here too. So remember the first name tags, just like it says above here. Put it just like it says, and it'll work. If you don't put it like it shows, it's not going to work. Remember, that was right here. This is the name tag right here. That's what we just got through putting right here. That's going to turn it into that person's first name. Now, if this don't make sense, don't panic. Go back and watch the video again. That's why they have pause. That's why they have rewind. So you can rewind it, you can watch it again. You get to a place you want to go do this, then all you have to do is hit pause or stop, go catch up, go play again, and just keep doing it. All right, right here we're going to put another first name tag. Okay, now it's going to say do it now, whoever that person's name is. Okay, we're ready to send it. Let's go ahead and hit send. And it's going. See, it's running right now. So that's how you run an ad in the Traffic Zipper. And this is a site that you can literally have as many as 21 sites, different safe list builders, all inside of one site. It saves you a ton of time. Okay, folks, look here. I sent to Downline, Builder Direct, List Bandit, List Joe, Ad Tactics, List Jumper, List Quick, My List Frog, State of the Art Mailer, List Auction, Viral Ad Soar, Viral Ads Unleashed, Viral Networks, Viral URL, and Traffic Eruptions. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 different sites we just sent to in a matter of a few minutes with one ad. We logged into one site and sent to 14 different ones. We didn't have to go log into 14 different ones. Doesn't it only make sense to use this? Yes. I hope this video helped. I appreciate you watching the video. There's going to be more coming. Have yourself a great day. God bless.